Hello friends, this video is specifically for CMA Inter student. I see there is a lot of confusion regarding the computer training among the students of CMA Inter, and so I decided that I should make a separate video on this topic. Here I will discuss the four most frequently asked questions. So let's get started. First, I am giving the attempt in December 2020. What will I do? Should I do the training now, computer training now? What is online training scheme, and what when this new training starts? First, we'll see this notification. Actually, the institute has released in this month two notifications regarding the computer training. First is world class online training facility, and second is about exemptions of all types of training requirement. See, in this notification of this exemption of all types of training requirement for December 2020 examination, Institute writes, as decided by the Council, this is to notify that all types of training requirements, that is computer training, CSS, IOTP, and practical training required to be completed before appearing CMA intermediate and final examination are hereby exempted only for December 2020 examination due to emerging situation arising out of COVID-19 situation. I here specifically highlighted these words only for December 2020 examination. This means that the students who are planning to appear or already fill up the form for December 2020 attempts are getting this exemption. Okay, not for all students. Okay. In the actually CMA structure, CMA course structure, the students needs to be completed this training, this computer training before appearing the CMA Enter. That is both groups of CMA Enter. So if you are giving a single group, then there is no such requirement. You can do your training after appearing first group also. But if you are planning to appear or you decided to appear for the December 2020 for both groups, then you will get this exemptions. Okay, so if you are appearing for single group in December 2020 and the next group in June 2021, this notification is not for you. Okay, so I think I clear this doubt. So I will suggest that if you are appearing the both group, you just focus on your studies now. Okay, I think the 2 months, hardly 2 months are remaining now. Okay, don't go for training. Okay, but if you are single, if you're giving the single group, you can you have a time actually. Okay, you can do trainings now, yeah, afterward also. Okay. Second, so question is what is this online training scheme and when this new training will start? So second notification, that is a world-class online training facility for better employability to CMA intermediate student. In this notification, the institute writes that Council in its 325th meeting has approved the following items in the respect to providing world-class online training facility for better employability to CMA intermediate student. So the existing structure, that is 100 hours computer training and 3 days CSS program at intermediate level has been replaced. Okay, replaced by 60 hours SAP training and 80 hours soft and techno skill training. Okay, this is conducted by Microsoft AI College, Cambridge University and e-filing from August 2020 batch onwards. See, this is most important word, replace by. Okay, so you need not to conduct the training for the new student. You need not conduct this 100 hours plus 3 days CSS program. The structure is changed now. That is 60 plus 80 training. Okay, so the students who are enrolled for the CMA Enter course from August 2020 onwards, they need to be the mandatory. Okay, this is a mandatory training for these guys 60 plus 80. But if you are enrolled in a June or May 2020, that is before the August 2020, then you have a choice that you can do 100 hours training or you can do this 60 plus 80 hours for a training. Okay, Second, regions or chapters having own computer lab facility may utilize their existing computer lab for facilitating the training facilities to their student. Student of regions or the chapters which are not having their own computer lab will be provided online training only. Okay. Postal student will be provided online training only. So online training are given in a two situation. First of all, postal student. For the postal student, they can take the training only through the online mode, not from the offline. Okay. Or the student, yes, और द स्टूडेंट ऑफ अ रीजन जिनके पास ये फैसिलिटी नहीं है, जिनके पास कंप्यूटर लैब ही नहीं है, उनको क्या ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग से ट्रेनिंग दिया जाएगा कंप्यूटर. द पोस्टल स्टूडेंट्स में बी अलाउड training at a region or chapters having its own computer lab subject to prior approval of DSS. Yeah, if you want to the offline training, then you need to prior approval of DOS. The modalities of the new training facility will be notified soon. So I think I clear this doubt also. The online training is for new student, and from August 2020 batch means which batch? The student, see, here the institute will decide from your date of payment. Okay, when you paid your CMA enter fees. Okay, if I paid the CMA enter fee from 31st July, then I get exemption. Okay, but if I pay in I think 11th August onward, then I will not get any such exemption. It is mandatory for me to do the training. Okay, as for my information, okay, I already inquire about this in my chapter, in the regional chapter of mine. And fourth doubt is when the new training starts. Okay, the new training will starts from, you will get the new training option. First of all, you go to the ICMA websites, official websites. In the right corner, there is a first option called Employability and Techno Skill Development Training. Click on it. Oh. Here they will mention Employability and Techno Skill Development Training for Intermediate Student, 200 hours. Okay, I'm so sorry, 180 hours. It is a 200 hours. SAP Finance Power User Program 60 hours. Microsoft Certification 40 hours. Cambridge University Certification 20 hours. E-filing 20 hours. Knowledge Support 60 hours. All the world-class training programs mentioned above integrated with the SAP Learning Hub will be available from January 2021 to CMA intermediate students taking admission on or after 11th August 2020. So here they clearly mention about world class training. Yes, there will be available from January 2021. Okay, so the new training will start from January 2021. I will make another video if you want on this topic also. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And if you really like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel so you will get every new update from the CMA Institute. And I am here to clear your doubts.